I mean, to not know any Luther, like you are living a sad life. Hello, fellow humans. Here are the items you'll use to create the Kime leave-in conditioner recipe. You're supposed to use, I believe, a cup of the conditioner, but lazy sister number one is just eyeballing it. I think you use maybe a half a cup of the aloe vera juice. Double check the recipe. Matter of fact, I'll put the recipe in the description box. How much is that?
This is a fourth of a cup, but I'm not going to do the whole thing. Because the oils were significantly less than the rest. So I'm just going to add these together here.
It's in the top on the top shelf.
Girl, that's doing too much. Girl, I had to reach too much. Here, I got this one right here. Range here.
This should be what range?
The 4 to 5.
And as you see, ours is exactly between 4 and 5, which is perfect. It always comes out this way. Thank you, Kime. You are the best, or one of the best rather. And so we just put it between 3 and 4, and then 5 and 6, just to show that it's right between 4 and 5 with the colors. I'm just showing you the utensils I'll be using, which is the CWK spiral plates, and then I'm putting some of the conditioner in my hair that we just created, the mixture. Then I'll comb it through. So I used the Mael leave-in conditioner and the Mael twisting something or something like that. I can't remember what it was, but anyway, it made my hair kind of sticky, and that's upsetting. So the conditioner didn't act the way I wanted it to, just because my hair was kind of sticky, but whatever. So here I am applying the tool to my hair, and then I'll just snap on the end piece like you would the end of a small roller, and then I'll just keep going. So I'm just smoothing in the conditioner, smooth, 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 combing through the hair. And I'm watching As Told by Kenya. She is hilarious, if you're wondering why I keep smiling. And then I just twist up my hair, and then off I go. I would just twist through my whole head and then add the CWK SSS, I think it's SSS spiral plate or whatever it's called. I can't remember. It was years ago that I bought this ridiculousness. I don't know why I spend my money on everything ridiculous, but I do, and here I am showing it to you and why I don't use it anymore. Not that there's anything wrong with it, but it wasn't worth my money for the type of hairstyles that I do. So I just twist it around, and just like you would, let's say, a flexi rod, and it does make the roots stretched and kind of flat and straight. So I may use those purple plates for just a twist out going forward. Here I am in the naughty corner, which is basically how you feel getting under the hair dryer. Here I am removing the tools, what do you call them? Spiral, whatever. I can't remember. Spiral something, spiral rods. Let's call them spiral rods. So here I am removing them and that doesn't take too long. None of it takes too long. It's just too much trouble for me to not come out with a consistent hairstyle. And so that's pretty much it. So I'll just be removing them. Slow and steady wins the race. Now I have all of the rods out, and so I am just untwisting the twist, and I'll do that for my whole head, and then I will go back through and separate them even further. So of course my hair isn't completely dry, so it still has a little bit of damp stickiness feeling, like the feeling right before it's fully dry. I don't know if you've ever done that to your hair, but don't do what I did, because yeah, it's kind of damp, kind of sticky, and also it was already sticky anyway. I just continue separating, and I can kind of see the writings on the wall, and you guys probably can too, because it's not completely dry. The curls aren't completely formed. Yeah, that's where I am with these. So now I'm finally done taking my hair down, and it's looking wily, as you probably could have guessed. So now I'm just fluffing it out, trying to figure out what's what. I'm sure it probably, if I were taking pictures or something, it would probably look fine because you wouldn't be able to see it up close and personal. But no, it's my grandma's wig. Not that there's anything wrong with the way your grandma wears her hair, but I'm not looking to wear my hair like that, so I don't think I will use these again. It's too much trouble for a lazy girl like me, a lazy sister like me. It is way too much trouble. I don't want to have to do all that. I want a hairstyle after I wake up. That's pretty much it. I don't want to have to sit under the dryer and put something in my hair and do all that. That's too much trouble. I think twist outs and braid outs are probably my jam. So that just lets me know I shouldn't buy another tool, correct? Like, comment, subscribe, guys. Thanks.